Okay.
Especially in the USA, part-time jobs on campus are legal, part-time jobs off campus are not legal. The tuition fees, most of the cases depends on the brand.
Okay.
It's decided by the university. The students can get the opportunity to work for world top IT companies. These online courses, student can study, but he cannot get the real-time exposure.
Let's dive straight into the topic. Hi, hello, and welcome to the brand new edition of Overseas Edu Podcast. Powered by VmapU, your go-to destination for all overseas education in India. As you well know, in our podcast, in each edition, we'll be diving deep into the abroad education, clearing all your doubts, taking valuable insights, and also expert advices. So whether you're a parent or a student, this podcast will surely help you to take valuable decisions and informed decisions. So in this edition currently, we are diving deep into the world of education of United States of America, USA. And to take us on our first voyage and clear all our doubts, we have an expert with us, Mr. Amba Das, who has been into this consulting business from past few years, and he will also take us on to our first voyage and clear all our doubts. So let's welcome him. So welcome, Mr. Amba Das Garu. Welcome to the Overseas Edu Podcast. How are you doing today?
Thank you, Mr. Karthik. Thank you for having me for this program. I'm good. How are you?
Fine, I'm also doing good. So, Mr. Amba Das Garu, I know you're an expert in USA, but all to our viewers and to the students who are watching this episode, can you give a brief introduction about yourself?
Yeah, hi Karthik. I'm Amba Das from VmapU Overseas Education Consultancy. Yeah, we're located at Himayat Nagar, Hyderabad. I have been working in this field almost from the past 12 years. Okay, it has been almost more than a decade. I have a total experience in this field. In the initial phase of my career, for almost for the first 5 to 6 years, I worked for the USA, UK, Australia, Canada, all these countries, university applications, admissions, and visa processing. But later, I slowly switched to completely exclusively for the USA. It has been almost more than 7 to 8 years. I'm exclusively for the USA working. Here, all these years, I worked on the university applications, admissions, and the visa processing. I worked on some top universities, mid-range universities, some average universities also.
Okay.
I'm very much passionate about in this field to guide the students to their dream university. Okay, and almost I did processed all these years over a period of time over this decade for more than 6,000 plus students, and also we actually applied in different countries, different universities. We did almost more than 20,000 plus applications, all this over a period of time.
Okay, so that's great. That's great knowing about you. So let's dive straight into the topic. As our current edition is about United States of America, USA. So as a student who has been newly come out of BTech or BCom, or as a working professional, why do you think a student or a working professional should opt for USA for studying their masters or PhD or bachelor's?
Okay, the thing is to pursue higher education. Okay, nowadays students are going for the bachelor's degree also, almost more than 15 years, 20 years.
Yeah.
People are going for the MS. MS is always a hot cake.
Yes.
And some students actually they are looking for the PhD programs also. Depends on the student's requirement. This education, higher education in USA, especially MS, it's there because students are getting a lot of benefits. Here, some of the top universities are in the world. Okay, most of them are in the USA.
Okay.
Okay, like Carnegie Mellon, MIT, Arizona State University, and University of Houston, University of Texas at Dallas. A lot of top universities are there in the USA. Okay, they have access to the cutting edge technologies. Okay, students can learn through high qualified faculty.
Okay.
And moreover, in the USA, the complete education is not completely theoretical based, it's practical approachable. Okay, students can learn more, and moreover whenever they are pursuing their graduation, whether it is bachelor's, master's or PhD, okay, students can there is a possibility to get the assistantships. Okay, they can work under the professors, and also they can work some internships over there while pursuing their degree. Okay, they can get some real-time experience, real-time exposure actually after completing the course also. Okay, as we already know, US is a tech country.
Yeah,
okay,
tech
most
hub.
of the IT companies are there in the USA.
Yes.
And almost world top IT companies are already
of course,
there.
yes.
Okay, here the students can get the opportunity to work for world top IT companies. Okay, and also not even IT companies. Okay, it's a in Michigan area, it's a hub for mechanical engineering kind of programs. and for finance kind of programs, New York area, okay, New York City. Okay, all the students, even though they are from different backgrounds, they can find the opportunities over there.
Okay.
Okay, all over, and moreover, the salaries after completing the program, after completing the course, okay, the high paid salaries are there.
Okay.
Okay, when comparing with India,
Yeah.
okay, as we already know, dollar
Yeah.
is pretty much high,
Yes.
and it's growing day by day.
Day by day, of course.
Here, when it is comparing with the university rankings, and when it is comparing with the high quality faculty and job opportunities and high paid salaries, and also after completing the course, students will get the work permit.
Okay.
Based on the course you are taking, you can get the work permit for 1 to 3 years. It's really pretty much helpful.
Okay.
Okay, mostly these are the common factors that motivated the students to do MS in USA.
Okay, understood. So if I'm a student who has completed bachelor's and want to study master's in USA, so what is the average budget I should be ready to spend for?
Here, Karthik, actually, the tuition fees completely depends on the university.
Okay.
Okay, there are a lot of factors actually which are influencing the tuition fee of university. There are some top universities. Okay, the tuition fees most of the cases depends on the brand. Okay, it's decided by the university, the reputation of the university, and also the research going on, and also the location, the prime location where the university is locating, and also main thing here is the city where the university is located. Okay, these are the major things which are influencing the tuition fee. Okay, there are some universities actually with the lowest tuition fee, almost $16,000 to $18,000 for the complete course, to more than $1 lakh for the complete course.
Okay.
Okay, this is the lowest is $16,000, $18,000 also. There are some universities.
Okay.
Okay, highest is almost $1 lakh.
Okay.
Okay, in between, when a student is targeting some moderate universities, some mid-range universities, the tuition fee would be around $30,000 to $40,000, $45,000. Okay, when there are some small universities also there, but they have bit low tuition fee.
Okay.
Okay, it would be around $20,000 or less than $20,000, around $25,000. Here we can't tell the average tuition fee by considering all these into consideration.
Okay.
Okay, here based on the category of the university a student is selecting, the tuition fee will be changes. On an average, okay, if we take it an average, if we want to go for some good university, okay, the average tuition fee would be around $30,000 to $45,000 for the whole program.
Understood. So what is the average course duration a student has to be prepared for to study MS or MBA in USA?
Here, the students should understand, in India, the course structure is different. In USA, the course structure is different. There is no fixed time duration in the USA.
Okay.
In most of the cases, not in all the cases I'm saying. In most of the cases, it is not fixed actually. Here, in most of the cases, if a student wants to pursue MS degree or Master of Science degree, in this case, there would be a student should complete at least 10 to 12 subjects.
Okay.
Okay, here it's completely credit based system in the USA. Okay, the student should complete at least 30 to 36 credits. Okay, some universities require 36 credits. A student should complete 36 credits at least, then only he will get the master's degree. Okay, some universities they put it as a 33 credits. Okay, some universities they keep it as 30 credits. If it is a 30 credits, almost 10 subjects will be there. Okay, if it is a 36 credits, almost 12 subjects will be there. Okay, here it depends on the students, how many subjects he is taking per semester.
Okay.
If a student is taking 3 subjects per semester, okay, he can complete the whole course in 4 semesters. The 36, if 12 subjects are there, 36 credits are there, it took at least 2 years for him.
Yes.
Okay, and if a student is taking 4 subjects per semester, he can complete the whole course in 3 semesters only. And within 1.5 year, he can complete it.
Yes.
Okay, here it is completely depends on the students. And some universities, they design the course curriculum in a way that student can complete the whole program in 1 year.
Acha.
The universities design the whole program in that way.
Okay.
Okay, I'll tell you one university, Missouri State University, for MS Information Technology program.
Okay.
They created the course curriculum. The student can complete the whole program in 1 year.
Oh.
Okay, they'll start first semester in August. It will be completed by December.
Acha.
Okay, then again they'll start the second semester in January. It will be completed by April.
Okay.
Okay, then again third semester they'll start in May. It will be completed by July.
Okay.
Okay, when the student is starting the program in August, he is going to complete the program in the next year July.
Yes.
Okay, within 12 months he can complete the program.
Understood.
Like this University of Cincinnati also, for M Engineering Computer Science program, they designed the course curriculum. The student should complete the whole program in 1 year.
Okay.
Okay, here completely depends on the students. Okay, if it is decided by the university, he has to complete the course in 1 year, 1.5 year. Okay, in most of the cases, it is not decided by the university. It depends on the student. Okay, how many subjects he is taking. He may take 1 year, 1.5 year, or 2 years. And on average, a student should take, in general, students will take 1.5 to 2 years to complete the whole program.
Okay, so the course duration is pretty flexible, depends on the
Yes,
student.
depends on the student, how many subjects he is willing to take, how many subjects he is going to study. Based on that one, it depends.
Yeah, of course. I also heard about students can also study in USA universities from India itself. Like, is there any USA online courses currently in trend, or what is the situation of that?
Yeah, actually, a lot of universities, some big universities, they are offering these online courses. Some some mid-range universities also, they are offering these online courses. Okay, but these online courses, student can get the course he can study, but he cannot get the real-time exposure.
Okay.
Okay. Whenever a student is going to the college, in the classroom, there might be students from different countries. Diversity, cultural diversity, and also different students will comes from the different countries.
Yes.
Okay. There might be a chance to explore
yes.
different countries and their culture and all. And moreover, there are online courses also. It's completely up to the student. But online course also available by most of the universities. It depends on the students. If he wants, he can go for the online. But offline, student can get more opportunities. If a student is going offline on campus, okay, he might get the post-study work permit. Okay, he can get the opportunities to explore the universities and explore the different work culture in the USA.
Understood.
Okay, it's completely depends on the student, but there are online courses also available.
Okay.
Students can take it.
How are the part-time job opportunities in USA? For example, I'm a student and I want to study in USA, MS or MBA, and I also want to earn money while studying. So how are the part-time job opportunities currently in USA?
Yeah, there are part-time jobs actually. Depends on the university. Here, a student should consider one thing. Part-time jobs on campus are legal. Okay. Especially in the USA, part-time jobs on campus are legal. Part-time jobs off campus are not legal.
Okay.
The students can get the part-time jobs on campus. There are different types of part-time jobs, like there might be a library assistant. Okay, there might be administrative assistant. Okay, there might be teaching assistant. And also there might be in canteens also, college canteens also. Student can get different types of part-time jobs. They are available in the on-campus.
Okay. After I complete MS or MBA in USA, how are the job opportunities for a master's professionals, or how are the job opportunities currently in USA?
Yeah, job opportunities are pretty good in the USA. Here, a student should prepare himself for the job. We strongly encourage the students to go for some kind of internship. Whenever you are pursuing the degree, you might get a chance to do some kind of internship. Okay, if you get some kind of internship, plenty of chance is there to convert that internship into a full-time employment. Most of the students actually, whenever they are planning for the job, we strongly suggest them to go for the internship first. Okay. This internship will give you the real-time exposure. Most cases, whenever the student is doing some kind of internship while pursuing the degree, okay, those internships will be converted into the full-time employment after completing the degree. Okay. In most of the cases, there are plenty of job opportunities. We can take if it's Silicon Valley area or California area, there are a lot of tech IT jobs. If you are taking Michigan area, there are mechanical, automobile and industrial kind of jobs. If you are taking New York, in that area, finance or investment banking related jobs are there. We have plenty of opportunities. Just we need to explore more, and the student should communicate through the professors to get better opportunities, and also through the alumni network also. It would be really helpful.
So I understood the benefits of for a student studying in USA. So for example, if I am a student, I want to study in USA, should I have to write any English exams? Is it compulsory? And as this video is brought to you by VmapU, your trusted partner in realizing overseas dreams since 2009. With expert counseling, personalized guidance, visa assistance and more, they have helped around 1.5 lakh students achieve their international dreams. Whether it's pursuing MS in USA, MBA in UK or in any other country, contact VmapU by clicking on the link below, register yourself by entering name, email ID and phone number, and they will call you back within 24 hours to guide and turn your aspirations into reality. And VmapU also offers free SOP maker, free LOR maker and free university shortlisting tool as well. Make sure to explore these. Thank you.